Okay. So on equality, page number 4. India is a democracy. What is the meaning of this word democracy? Because in class 6 we have read about the key elements of democratic government. No. So the meaning of democracy, I hope that at that time I have made it clear to you, isn't it? Still then, let's recapitulate it. Democracy means a country where the power is held by elected representatives. If you want, you can write it down beside this term. The democracy means it is a country where power is held by elected representatives. And in depth, if we deal with the meaning of this word democracy, then democracy is the rule of the people or masses, which is opposite of autocracy. That means the rule of one person, group or organization. So this is the meaning of democracy. Sir, your camera is off. Every time what is happening, this one, just wait. Let me see, check it. Okay. So as we were saying, the meaning of democracy, democracy is the rule of the people or masses, which is opposite of autocracy, and the meaning of autocracy is the rule of one person or a group or any organization. So in the class 6 book, we looked at the key elements of democratic government. These include people's participation, the resolution of conflict, and equality and justice. All these things we have seen while studying the chapter, the key elements of democratic government. Now, I think the problem is from your side, Tori. You do one thing, you cut the call and join it again. It is the network problem might be, because others they are saying that yes, they can see me. No problem is there from our side, beta. As I was saying, these include people's participation, the resolution of conflict, and equality and justice. Now, equality is a key feature of democracy and influences all aspects of its functioning. What is the meaning of equality? Equality means when no sort of discrimination is made among people on the basis of this caste, creed, then gender, religion, race, anything. If you want, you can write down the meaning of this equality beside this term. We all are equal in terms of rights and opportunities. We all are equal in terms of rights and opportunities. You can also write it. We are equal before the law. This means that all of us must get equal protection in our country. The citizens of India cannot be discriminated on the basis of caste, religion, creed, or sex. So these things we have already studied. That means in front of law, we all are same. No discrimination can be made. And this is the most essential criterion of a democratic government. Okay. In this chapter, you will read more about equality, what it is, why it is important in a democracy, and whether or not everyone is equal in India. Let's begin by looking at Kanta's story. Okay, so before coming to Kanta's story, we can see there's so many people standing over here. Just wait. Once it is becoming grid view, one it is becoming what is actually happening. No, it's really problem. Okay, leave it. So here we can see so many people, they are standing here. The first one is Manjit Kaur, she is a teacher. Next one is Teja Singh, he is a trader. Girish Rao, student. Kanta Devi, domestic worker. Then Sujata Kumari, she is also domestic worker. Abdul Rahman, artisan. Artisan meaning, I hope that you know, that person who does skilled work with their hands. This is the meaning of artisan. Then Shabnam Bano, housewife. The names after that are not given. only the post which they are holding. It is given consultant, government officer, media person, unemployed, industrialist. So isn't it good, Shujata? Nah, Suja. Isn't it good, Shuja, that we can all vote as equal citizens of our country? Even Jan Shaiv is standing in the line with us. This is some sort of satisfaction in the mind that we all are standing in the same line and we are going to cast our vote. We are going to nominate or elect the person whom we think is the best person or the best candidate to form the government and make our country a well place to live. Yes, this is the reply from Shujata. Now, her name is Shujata, but Kanta is just calling her by the name Shuja, a nickname given by her might be. Go on, Kanta, it's your turn now. I will vote for the candidate who has promised to bring pipe water to our area. So she will cast her vote only for the person who has promised that as there is a water problem, that he or she will make the proper arrangement for pipe water. Afterwards, we'll see you later, Kanta. Yes, Namaste, Shahib. Gudiya has been running fever and I have to take her to the hospital. But I will have to finish the work at Shahib's house first and ask for some advance. So the name of Kanta's daughter is Gudiya and she is suffering from fever. And Kanta, she wants her to take to the hospital, but right now she's not having money. And moreover, even she is not having ample time now because she has to complete her work first in her employer's house. After that only she can take her daughter to the hospital. At home, here have some of this, you will feel better. And when I get back in the evening, we will go to the hospital. Okay, so this is the really very poor condition of a mother, as she has to complete her work first in her employer's house and she has to ask for advance. That's why she cannot take her daughter immediately to the doctor for her checkup. It's no wonder that Gudiya falls ill often. The basti is never cleaned. So the place where she lives, that basti, that slum, it always remain uncleaned. And we have come to know about this thing that if the place where you are living, that place is not cleaned regularly, then it is just 100% assurance is there that we will fall sick, because the virus, the bacteria who are taking birth in that impurities, they will definitely come to love us, to attack us, isn't it? Make sure to do the corners properly. Here's your advance, Kanta, but don't make a habit of it. No, madam. See, again the poor condition of the mother. She has asked for the advance. It is not that she has asked for some help from her employer. And the employer, the way she is giving the money, as if she is giving it from her own expenses, or she is giving it from somewhere else. It is from Kanta's salary only. She is giving her some advance. It is not that she is doing any charity work here. Still then she is warning her that don't make it a habit. Just that evening, just few more minutes, Betty, Jan Madam and Jan Sahib may stand in line to vote, but they never have to do it when their children are sick. Yes, there lies the problem. We are saying that we are equal, but here lies the inequality or inequalities, that while the time of voting, casting the vote, at that time, the employer and the employee, they were all standing in the same line, and they have to go or enter inside that booth one by one, and they have to cast their vote accordingly. But when it is the matter of this taking the daughter or taking the children to the doctor, at that time, Jan Madam, Jan Sahib, they are rich enough, they are having money enough, so they can take the appointment from any doctor or any medical practitioner who is having the his or her own nursing home or having the chamber of his or her own, there they can easily take their children for the treatment. But in case of these poor people, they have to stand in the line in front of the hospital, and the line is not a short one, it's a long queue, and they have to stand over there, they have to wait for their turn, when their turn will come and they will be able to just get the treatment from the doctor. Tulipa Parvin, kindly turn off your front camera, we can see everything. So do you think Kanta has enough reason to doubt whether she really is equal? List 3 reasons from the story above that might make her feel like this. So children, give a tick mark up to this because the time is about to end, and still this portion which we have read today, which we have completed. If you are having any sort of doubt, query, problem, you can ask me. Sir, Basti means area. Who is this one? You don't know Basti means slum? Tanujit. Beta, Basti means slum, you don't know? Okay. Shoptora, no problem. Tori, no doubt, sir. No problem. Treyoshi. Then Vinayak, no problem, sir. That means you have understood this portion. And in our next class, I don't know whether it will be Monday or any other day, we will proceed with the rest part of the chapter. So still then, just do one thing and write your full name and write present. I must get the names of all the children who are present right now. Okay.